Can you spend 10 minutes with your child to shape their future? You have given them the best schools, best coaching, but are you preparing them for the future? Science, physics, mathematics are must. But everything is digital now. Now the computer is the king, and to stay ahead in this world, you need to teach your child programming. You need to keep them ready. You need to keep them prepared for the future world of computers. Just spend 10 minutes with them. Yes, just 10 minutes. And shape the future of your child. Even if they become doctors, economists, actors, a politician, they won't be able to survive without computers. Click the link below and get the most important and beautiful thing for your child.